No, sorry, I got nothing. Sorry, no, I got nothing. Sorry.
No, motherfucker. Yeah, that one. I'm not trying to hide it. Okay? Move. Oh, what the fuck? What the hell? You fucking stupid. What are you fucking on the ground? No, you got this. Oh, what the hell?
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Can I help you? Excuse me, can I help you?
Oh!
There we go, right here. You got hit. Come here.
Went down.
You got hit.
No, Jesus.
We got you, bro.
My head
Hold on now.
Yo, what? What's wrong?
Somebody beat me with a gun.
Somebody shot you? Where they shot you at? My man. Where you at? Let me see. Sorry, you're not, sir. Do you need tissue or anything? Yeah, for sure, definitely. In the arm.
Yeah, GSW. Right
In the arm, right arm, yeah.
Yeah, it's down there. You know it's down there? They did it. I need some joint. Jim, you got some joint?
You want some water?
my man.
Yeah, I need some water.
You got some water?
Yeah, we'll grab some water.
You got like a belt?
A belt?
Yeah.
Just one moment. I'll be back.
Yeah.
Okay, we gonna get you some water. You gotta stop the bleed, bro. You gotta stop the bleeding. Bro, we gotta make sure we gonna make it to the hospital. Come on, bro. Shot.
Ah!
I know, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt.
You need a pen?
Stop.
No, he has to tighten it up.
You're gonna bleed out, bro.
It's gonna bleed out.
Yeah.
You need to put it on you.
What's your arm? What's your arm? What's his arm?
But gotta make sure you got any other wound, bro. In your arm? That's it? You sure?
Oh, no.
Bring some water.
You got a tourniquet already.
I need some more.
You got a tourniquet on.
Water, you got more water right there.
Here, bro.
Hey,
Don't touch that. Don't touch that arm, bro. Don't touch that arm. More.
Do we have any more?
How old are you, bro? Huh? You're 14? Where this happened at, bro? He threw fireworks at your arm? That's not a firework.
It's not fireworks.
Brother. There's a hole in your shirt.
There's a hole in your shirt.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
I understand. You don't feel you ain't hitting no wheels, right? You don't feel no tingling and nothing like that? Any sharp pain nowhere or anything? Alright, wait for EMS, bro.
Hey,
Wash it.
Come on, we're gonna take us straight to the hospital. Come on.
Best luck, thanks, guys.
That's right, guys. God bless.
There's some blood right here. Probably want to clean it up.
Good.
I didn't hear anything. Think he stabbed him? Yeah. Yeah, I didn't hear anything. I was just thinking. Obviously inside. It's on focus on the thing. Yeah, I saw the flash up.
because the amount of weight.